So hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about a multiplication tricks. So let us know the tricks how to solve the multiplications very easily. Here we are using a Vedic math tricks. So here are 5 questions listed over here. The first question is 13 into 14. We can see here the 13 into 14, which is nothing but the next number of 13 is 14. So whenever the question is 13 into 14 or 14 into 15, we need to write it as 13 into 13 plus 1. Then here 13 into 13. What do we get? We need to know the squares till 15 or 20. So it will be very easy for us to do the multiplications. So 13 into 13. What is 13 into 13? It is 169. Plus 30. So what do we get? See, 160 plus 10. What is that? 170 plus 9 plus 3. What do we get? 12. That's it. 182. How do we add these two numbers? It is 169 plus 13. Where we have taken only 160 and from 13 we have taken 10. So 160 plus 10 is 170 and the remaining 9 plus 3. So that is 12. So 182. It's very easy to do. If the question is 13 into 14 or 15 into 16, whenever it's given, you just learn the square of a number from 1 to 20 or else 11 to 20. If it's 1 to 10, it's very easy to learn. So just remember the square of a number from 11 to 20. Now 16 into 18. If the number is 16 into 18, you just write it as 8. I'm using here Vedic math trick. It's nothing but, let me write it over here. 16 into 18. So if it is 8, whenever the number is like this, that means if it is not the first number, is not the if it is 16, we are getting there 18, second number. That means it's not the next number of 16. So then we need to use a Vedic math trick. That is 8 into 6. What 8 6 is? It is 48. So write only 8 over here as a last digit and keep 4 as a carry. And then now middle terms. 1 into 6. 1 into 6. 6. 6. And then the last terms. 1 into 6 and 8 into 1. 8 is the last digit number and the first digit of first number, which is nothing but 8. So what is 8 plus 6? It's very easy to do. What is 8 plus 6? It is 14. How do we get? Simple. 6 plus 4 is 10. Remaining 4, 14. Then now it is 14. Then what we need to write it over here? Every time whenever you do the 8 into 6 is 48. The 8 is a last digit number. Now when we have a 4 as a carry, just add this 4 to this 14. What do we get? It is 18. So don't write it as 18. Just write 8. And keep 1 as a carry position. And now we need to do simple. The first digit of first number and second number of first digit. What it is? 1. So 1 plus 1. Nothing but 2. I think people understood. Yes. So we get 288. Now 20 into 21, which is the next number of 20 is 21. What is the trick? 20 into 21. plus 1. So it is 20 into 20, simple, 400 plus 20, which is 420. That's it. It is 30 into 32. Similar trick we are using here also. Not like a second thing. Second, whatever I have given, what I have done for second one. There is 16 into 18. The same trick, that is Vedic math trick, we are using for 30 into 32. What do we get? 2 into 0. 0, there is no carry. Middle terms, 3 into 0. 0. The middle term 0 into 3 is 0 plus the last two terms 3 into 2 6. That means 0 plus 6, which is 6. Now the first terms 3 into 3. What is this? 3 into 3? 9. That's it. Very easy. If you understand the trick, you can easily do it. So just practice makes a man perfect. That's it. You just practice all these questions, and also you just practice the different patterns also. I'll be giving the different pattern of questions in the next video too, so that you can able to practice each and every question, so that you can get the trick easily and you can solve the questions very easily. Now it is 960. Okay, next question. 41 into 45. If it is 41 into 45, isn't it? Yes. 5 into 1. What is that? 5. Last digit. Now middle terms, 4 into 1. Okay, the middle term is, that means 1 into 4. I am saying the second digit of first number and the first digit of second number, which is nothing but 4, plus last two numbers. That means the first digit of first number and the last digit of second number. What is that? 20. 4 5 is 20. So 24 we get. So don't write it as 24 as it is. Just write 4 here. And 2 is in the carry position. 2 will be in the carry position. And then, now what are the terms we need to calculate? First terms. 4 into 4. What is that? 16. 16 and the carry position is 2, which is 18. Just write it as 18. 1845. That's it. I think the trick is very easy. Okay, let me give you some sort of question so that you can able to practice. It's very simple. I told you already that 15 into 16 and then 17 into 18. 18 into 19. If you want to do all these terms very easily, first know the square of numbers from 11 to 20 or 1 to 20. Already 1 to 10 is very easy, as I already told to you in the first topic when I am saying these numbers. So that first try to learn 11 to 20. It's enough for solving these things. If you learn that the square of the numbers from 11 to 20, like 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, then you can easily solve these numbers also. If you learn the 15 square, 16 square, 17 square and till 20 square, and also maybe till 30 also you can able to read it. I'll be giving a list of numbers also, square of numbers. I'll be providing that in the next lecture, and also some more tricks by using a different numbers. We can try these things so that you can able to get our logic. Okay, let me give you some more questions in the next lecture, where I'll be saying some more tricks for few multiplications. So keep watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.